Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Douglas on the product team for Agentforce Vibes. Here's how to make sure you are on the latest version of the Vibes extension. Last spring we released a Vibes 2.0 preview extension, and in June we rolled a lot of this functionality into a new 4.x version of the Agentforce Vibes extension. There are still a number of users on the old 3.x version of Vibes, so here's how to make sure you are on the latest and greatest version of Vibes and not using the preview extension. Go over to the extensions marketplace and filter for Vibes. Choose the Agentforce Vibes extension, and you'll notice that I'm on the old 3.x version. I'm going to click the Update button to start the install. You may have to toggle the Enable button if the extension is disabled, so watch out for that. Also, make sure you click the Auto Update checkbox so you always get the latest version when we release bi-weekly. If you don't see the Update button, try disabling and enabling the extension with Auto Update Check to force an update to the latest version. Now, if you have the Agentforce Vibes 2.0 preview installed, we've deprecated that extension, so we'll need to uninstall it. Simply choose the extension and click the Uninstall button. Congratulations! You should now only have the Agentforce Vibes extension installed with the latest 4.x version.